by Carl Everett with a sliding catch in center field. Defense in this ball game is the reason the Astros lead it 2-0 in the seventh inning of the National League Baseball is late. American League scores for you. Oakland and Boston 5-3 in the eighth. Toronto was losing at home. Texas is playing in Cleveland, and they're just walloping the Tribe 11-5. Detroit has lost to Tampa Bay. Minnesota and the Yankees. New York winning this one barely 2-0, and it's Chicago 6-1. They are in the seventh. Nice to see the Rams practice at Rams Park. The McComb summer camp is over, for that matter. So is the bye week as the Rams get ready for Friday's game against the Bears. How was the crowd, you ask? Well, only okay. Not a lot. Not a lot of folks. Practice is well away from the spectators. If you go, binoculars are a good idea. Also, bring canned goods. That will help the Rams charity drive. Today, a visiting football team from Barcelona, Spain, watched and learned. They are here for a practice game with Monmouth College.
Very big the difference because we play amateur level, and this is a professional level.
Explain to you what we're doing now is what we call a 2-minute drill.
Yeah.
It's the last 2 minutes of the game. Yeah. We have no timeouts, so they're going to try to move the ball down.
How's your Spanish?
Say something for us in Spanish. ¿Dónde está el cuarto de baño?
Which means?
Where's the bath?
Oh.
Yeah.
They are very big, tanas especially, but we know that we are a very low level, and this is the very best American football in world.
We wish our guest from Spain all the best, as do we wish Sean Elliott all the best. He is a Spurs star, and he is okay following a kidney transplant. He received a healthy organ from his 32-year-old brother, Norm. Elliott will be hospitalized for about a week.